Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to just cover what went right and what went wrong for the last 4 trading days. High level summary, I've made 3R these last 4 trading days. 3 of the days have been very good to me. One of the days, I guess this is the right finger for the one day, except I should only point it at myself because I'm the one who screwed myself over. But 3 of the days were really good. I had like a 3R day, a 2R day, and a 7R day. And then I had one minus 8R day that really drug me back and hurt my account. Still up, thankfully, but taught me a very important lesson. I made a video about it last Friday, about how to increase my win rate by 15%. Kind of a fun title, a little clickbaity, but I think the content of that video is really good. Just what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna make another video about this topic as well. But the main point is, I need to avoid trades that are not part of my plan, and it's that simple. And I think, trading my plan with acceptable risk is what has allowed me to become break even to profitable ish since February 6th. What has caused my big drawbacks is always violating my plan and not respecting it. I feel like I'm finally at the point where I've screwed up so much though that I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to respect it. Here's my performance summary since February 6th. My profit and loss history without fees and with fees on the right. As you can see, I'm up $1,262 without fees since February 6th, but I'm only up about $700 with fees. So fees have taken out $575 of my profit, or almost 50% of my profit. I don't know what. I mean, we'll round this down to 1,200, round this up to 600. It's probably like 40% of my profit has gone to fees. But the good news is, a lot of these drawdowns were very avoidable. Over the past week, I've gone back. I've done it on camera in a couple 1-hour videos, but I've gone back and looked at, hey, what has caused all these big drawdowns? It's pretty much always from not respecting my plan. So last week I created my anti-playbook, and I'm using my playbook more religiously now. And I just want to show my playbook real quick. Just scroll over it. I'm not going to go too in depth because I don't want to sit here and talk for an hour. I want to keep this video short and concise. But I'll just show the pictures from my playbook and my anti-playbook, and I pretty much just summarized it after. So this is the picture from last Wednesday, April 16th. I got long, but I had some errors around here, some bad execution, and I missed out on this big move up. This was about a 3R day for me, but it could have been 7R had I executed well. And then, so this is my notes on that day. What went wrong, what went right. And this is my anti-playbook. So this is mainly about what went wrong. Okay? What went right is what we'll cover next. So that was a 3R day. This is Thursday, the day before, from last week, the day before Good Friday. This is the day I lost minus 8R. Very, very bad day for me. Just completely did not respect my plan. I was going long here. Or no, I was going short here, and I was not allowed to go short because this EMA, if it'll let me zoom in, this gray line is above this dark line. The 9 EMA is above the 21. When that happens, I'm not allowed to be going short. I have to wait for a crossover. Yeah, just horrible. We're totally inside the prior day range. This is the 1-hour chart. Very hard place to trade and execute, and no place I want to give back 8R. Okay, it's like I said, I can make money, but the problem is I just lose a lot of the money I make giving it back with dumb trades. And the pain from this day was so great that I feel like I'm finally going to be able to respect my plan. Now, that's great. I can do that now. I've done that before. What happens in 3 months when this feeling wears off and I feel like, hey, I really want to go short here, even though my system is telling me I'm not allowed to go short. It's easy for me to respect that now because the pain is fresh, but to be a disciplined trader, I always have to respect that. I can't break my system. So, you know, enough scar tissue has built up that I feel like, yeah, I'm just going to respect my system now. I know what happens. I have the data that shows me what happens when I follow my plan and then what happens when I don't follow my plan. So, these are the notes on that day. I didn't actually finish my notes. I think I just captured the screenshot, but basically it is that I didn't respect rules. Didn't have higher time frame, or didn't have 2-2 LTF. Went against EMA rule. Okay, all right. So that's that. Today, Tuesday. Here's a screenshot for today, Tuesday. Pretty good day. One small error. Thought I had a confirmation break below bar 1 when I tried for a short. I didn't. I was kind of zoomed out. I couldn't see it clearly. But today I still traded well and ended up 2R because I stayed patient, waited for it to get above this prior day high level, this red line. Once it was above there, I had 2 out of my 2 higher time frame confluence rules, and we pushed up, and I made $250 or over 3R on this trade. But I only ended up 2R on the day because I lost 1.33R on this trade. But that was not a huge error, and it's one I'm okay making. Now let's show my playbook from last Wednesday. I already covered this day in my anti-playbook, but this is what went right. So here's my notes about what went right. Just that I stayed patient for the long. I didn't just jump in. I waited for a good bar 10. But, what went wrong, I talked about that already. So, and now this was yesterday, Monday, April 21st. This was my really great 7R trade. Thing is, though, let me find a picture of it. If I have one. This market went down much more, even after this. Now, it was 7R. I didn't want to get greedy. I wanted to lock in profits. That's a great place to. We were at the 5,200 key level. I like to use these 100 numbers that end in 00 as major key levels and targets because I think the price has a magnet effect towards them. And it usually is harder to break. As you can see, it kind of paused here, didn't break it right away, and then got bought back up. Oftentimes the price will turn around here and continue up, but very bearish day, so it continued down, made a second leg. I actually don't have it screenshotted here, but right after I took this screenshot, we had a rejection at the 21 EMA. Very great short opportunity. Could have targeted just past the day's low or at the day's low, and I could have made about 20 to 30 points. So I missed out on another second leg there. But so it goes. As Billy Pilgrim says, it was a good day. And I think this is a good journaling practice, guys, if you want to pick this up. Someone told me recently that they were really grateful for the anti-playbook idea, and then they made their own anti-playbook. So let me know in the comments if you have an anti-playbook type thing. And then this was today's, which I already covered. So, yeah, that is my anti-playbook in my playbook. And I talked about the key, most important thing I need to work on. So, which is just respecting my plan, being disciplined to my plan. I think I'll be able to do it. I feel pretty good about it. If you eliminate last Thursday, I would be up 1, 2. Oh, oops. 1, 2. If you eliminated last Thursday, I'd be up 12R. Last Tuesday was great too. Made 15. I'd be up 15R if we just eliminated last Thursday, where I lost 8R. But since last Tuesday, I'm up, even with Thursday included, I'm up 7R. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy, but need to eliminate days like last Thursday where I just go totally against my plan. I think I'll be able to. I just got to be consistent, but I feel good. Okay, that does it for my video. I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please leave a comment. Helps the engagement and helps the YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Thank you again for watching. Peace.